Okay, what's going on, guys? Okay. I made this special type of thing for the birds. See, look at this. That's the cage. The birds are all there playing. As you know, that's a mini course for them. They go here, and the reward here is some water, some food, and just play area for them, basically. So I'm gonna go to the dam. Okay. So this is the main area. They like going here for some reason, I don't know why. And she's going. She's off. Off again. They're all looking outside the window. Chirping. Okay, right, the head was gone. I'm gonna open the. Can some of you guys hey, calm down. Please calm down. I beg you. Don't fall out here on YouTube. Oh God, okay. Go. Oh God, calm down. And she went back there. Okay. For some reason, they're all pecking at the window. Okay, I'm gonna leave the camera here for a while. Check on the birds, guys. Check on the birds. Oh, okay, there's one here. Oh, and she's going to eat. And she went back there. Go fucking. Okay, I'll separate them too. They're all split up in there. I don't know. I'm leave it more like that. I have more space. Oh, fucking. Okay, I don't know why she always comes here. Okay, I'm gonna step in. Hopefully, you come in. Oh, the fly, the wings, the wingsy. Oh, she just runs off over there. Okay. The one here, no, it's two here actually. They love looking outside the window for some reason. I'm going to leave the camera here. There we go. Is there any birds? Let's check. Let's leave it. Okay, I've left the food there now. I wonder where and a bunch. Okay, I'm gonna bring them all here now. Excuse me, birds. I don't want to stop on you. Stay there. No. I'm walking this place now. Come here. I'm fed up with this. Stay here now. I will let you go only if you guys. Oh God, come here. Oh God. And a punch. Okay. Come here. There you go. Land it. The mud birds are called. The puppy has got the tissue to clean the puppy. Show me the puppy. Don't poopies. Stop. I'll be able to I need to wash my hands now. Take more and a punch. Because I touched. Oh God! How did she escape? Get it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, if you exist, go. Only if you exist, okay? Go only if you exist. But next time, don't do the poopies.